Hey, future scholars, ready to tackle some tough JAMB math? Let's dive into trigonometry. So, how important are these topics for your score, really? Let's find out. Okay, get this. You are looking at 4 to 7 questions. That's a huge potential score boost right there. All right, first tool up, SOHCAHTOA. This is your absolute go-to for any right-angled triangle. But what if it's not a right-angled triangle? Well, that's where sine and cosine rules save the day. And when it comes to circles, you absolutely have to know your theorems. It's a real game changer. To get a real strategic advantage, check out SureBanker. It will help you pass with confidence. All right, question 1. Let's do this. This is a classic trigonometric ratio problem. First things first, always draw it out. It makes the problem so much easier to see. Okay, so we'll use Pythagoras' theorem to find that missing adjacent side. Then we can solve it. And boom, there's our answer, 3/4. Easy, right? Let's move on to the next one. Okay, next up. This one's different. It's not a right-angled triangle. Time for a new tool. See this setup? 2 sides and the angle between them? That's a huge clue to use the cosine rule. We just plug in the values, do the math, and we get the square root of 31 centimeters. All right, time for some circle geometry. You're almost guaranteed to see a question like this on your exam. Now, here's a neat trick. If the chord equals the radius, you've automatically got an equilateral triangle. And because it's equilateral, we know that central angle is 60 degrees. That's the key right there. From there, a quick calculation gives us our answer. Pi times r all over 3. Done. So what's the big takeaway here? Master your formulas, draw your diagrams, and practice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more practice questions, visit ExamKP.com. You've got this.